What's up, guys? Chris again, and I just got some big stuff, and as you can see from my title, I'm about to show it. But I got this too. Um, I got the Xbox One controller, Day 1 2013 controller from GameStop. I got it because I always wanted one, because I always thought it was badass. I had the year that it came out on. Looks pretty good. It still looks in pretty good condition, other than like some like slight dirt, which just comes right off. It's pretty good. Anyways, that's what I got. Also, what most of you guys probably mostly came for the Xbox One Elite controller. And yeah, I did take the tape off, and I have seen what the inside looks like from other like reviews and unboxings. My cousin also has one, but I never really unboxed one by myself like that. Comes out like the Beats. It even comes in like one of these things, which I thought was pretty cool. There it is. Wow, that is beautiful, man. Really is nice. Comes with those. Also, if you want to see the back, but it also has this extras. No, those. But what else I got for an accessory for my Elite controller was that I got the Halo component kit. This costed me quite a lot, to be honest. Yeah. Also, for you guys that were wondering, I did not finish the hoverboard yet, but am gonna try to finish it today. Well, I can't finish it today because I gotta order something for it, and then that video will be uploaded later today. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.